Beyond network threats, everyday web browsing will threaten your privacy in a number of ways. Web cookies are the most infamous problem. These are small files that websites leave in your browser. Cookies are often necessary for website personalization, like remembering your shopping cart, but they are also commonly used for marketing purposes, such as following you with an advert for a product that you viewed but not bought, or retargeting, as marketers call it. Website cookies can be first-party, placed by the website itself, or third-party, placed by an entity other than the website, but with a presence on the web page, like an advertising network or a web service. Under the EU's General Data Protection Regulations, cookies are personally identifiable information and require your consent, hence the annoying cookie pop-up permissions. Third-party cookies are a particular problem when you visit sensitive content. Here's an example of an HIV testing service, which has cookies on its page from Google, Microsoft Bing, and others, all of whom may recognize you from your IP address or your login cookies from their services. Another privacy threat is using browsers, like Google's Chrome web browser, that come with an attributed advertising ID, or that require or entice you into linking your browser and your account, so that your web browsing history can be easily linked to your personal data. Browser fingerprinting is a particular problem. It's a highly accurate way of identifying you based on the unique characteristics of your web browser and operating system. This data is usually automatically shared when you visit a website. Google's terms and conditions actually specify that Google will use this technique to identify you. Some browsers, like Firefox, will block browser fingerprinting requests. Using Tor browser is also a good protection against being fingerprinted, as Tor browsers all look the same, as long as you follow Tor's recommendation to not change the browser in any way, like adding new plugins. In terms of browser market share, once again Google is the winner with their Chrome browser at 63% market share. Apple's Safari is second with 16%, and Mozilla's Firefox third with 5%. Google is often in the limelight for their efforts to influence website functionality to only work with Chrome, another monopolization tactic. So, which browser is best for digital privacy? Once again, the application with a low market share comes out on top: Firefox. Firefox is free and open source software. It gives you full access to its privacy-related settings, and it's run by a not-for-profit company, Mozilla. Although ironically, Mozilla makes most of its money from Google paying to be Firefox's default search engine.